you are struggling to set custom notification sound for WhatsApp notifications, make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all, you'll have to open settings of your phone to set custom notification sound for WhatsApp. After that, you'll have to scroll down all the way and you'll have to tap on notifications. And once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on app notifications, and then you'll have to choose WhatsApp from this list. Open WhatsApp and scroll down to the bottom and you'll be able to find an option of additional settings in the app. You'll have to tap on it, and right here you'll be able to find an option of you'll have to scroll down and right here you'll be able to find an option of notification tone. You'll have to tap on it, and it will show you a lot of different notification sounds. You can select any one of your choice, like I will select this one, or like this one. I'm simply showing you as an example. And once you have selected your own notification sound, you can also choose a custom sound by adding tapping on add ringtone. And once you're done with this, you'll have to tap on OK and you're good to go. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button as well. It really supports the channel. And if you get stuck anywhere, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely help you out.